Today that I'm filming this, it is Christmas Day. I need to wash my hair anyway, so I decided to film because why not? And then after go and have a lazy day. So in today's video, I am going to be trying flaxseed gel as a hair mask. I also thought that the recipe for the hair mask would be different, but actually when watching a few videos, it turns out the recipe is exactly the same as the gel. So that recipe is already on my channel when I made the flaxseed gel, so you can find it there. I did also want to style my hair with the actual gel, but I don't think I will actually have enough gel. Okay, so that is detangled, and here is my gel. I think I'm gonna make a mess here. So I've got a little bit in my hair and just rubbing it through. My hair loves this stuff as a gel, so I am very curious what it's going to be like as a mask. You know, a little goes a long way with this stuff. Maybe I will have enough for a gel. So I'm working that through my hair. Some strands are still like a little bit dry, but in the tutorials that I watched, they did say like you don't need to completely drench your hair in this stuff. They did also recommend applying it to your roots. Apparently it's good for hair growth, and we could definitely use a bit of that. And I did mention in a recent video that I've been dealing with an itchy scalp. Maybe flaxseed helps with that. I'm gonna add some more to the ends. I don't know if I should try and push this through. Yes, I will. So this is gonna help distribute it a little bit better. Okay, so I do have some left, which I'm gonna take a tiny bit more, and then I'm actually glad. I think what I have left should be enough to style my hair. So I am clipping that out the way now, and I think I'll leave it in for about 45 minutes or so maybe before I go and wash and style my hair. So while I'm waiting for this to marinate in my hair, I'm gonna do a little bit of reading. I'm currently reading Lights Out. If you know, you know. I'm wondering if this will do anything. I don't know. So I left the flaxseed hair mask on for about an hour, and at this point my hair had kind of dried and formed a cast, like when I just use regular gel in it anyway. So I wasn't really sure what the flaxseed gel as a mask is going to do to my hair. But when I went to the shower and as I started rinsing out and detangling a little bit, I could feel like my hair feeling slimy and silky smooth. I'm not sure if the flaxseed is actually doing much, but it was kind of easy to detangle at this point. So I rinsed it out, and then I went in with a shampoo. This shampoo that I'm using does foam up really nicely, but I still went in twice with it anyway today. And after that I used a little bit of conditioner on the ends of my hair, worked that through, detangled, and then rinsed it out. And then I'm taking the Garnier Aloe cream thing that I got. I'm taking about 2 pumps of that in my soaking wet hair. And then in the next clip, you see me taking my hair out of the towel. I just loosely wrapped my hair up in this towel just while I went to change the battery in my camera and put the other one to charge. And when I came back, my hair had dried way too much for my liking. I started to split my hair, but it was already feeling way too knotty and dry. So I decided to quickly rinse my hair in the shower again and just add a little bit more water back into it, and this made the styling process so much more easier. Like, my hair just loves soaking wet hair for styling. You have no idea how much water was dripping down my back while filming this. It was not nice. So I brush styled all of my hair, then gave it a little bit of a scrunch, and then scrunched in some flaxseed gel into my hair. Then I scrunched with a towel and put my hair up in a towel, and I'll be leaving it like this maybe for about half an hour or so. The weather has warmed up ever so slightly lately. It's a little bit sunny. We're about 15 degrees, I would say. So hopefully that means that my hair is not going to take too long to dry today. And I think when I use flaxseed, from what I remember, I think my hair does dry slightly definitely quicker with this gel. I actually feel like my hair also dried quicker compared to when I use regular store-bought gels. So hopefully diffusing won't take too long today. So off I go to continue reading before diffusing. So I just got done diffusing. I was wrong. It was not quicker to diffuse today. I didn't add any more gel before diffusing, but I feel like I could have to get a little bit more hold and maybe a bit more shrinkage and definition in my hair. But oh well, we're going for natural looking waves today, I guess. I mean, it still looks nice. And this should be really easy to scrunch out. I'm using the Trelix serum to just give this a little scrunch. Okay, really pretty. So let me know in the comments what you think. I will include a clip of one of my more recent wash days and also my wash day when I used the flaxseed gel, just so that you can compare how it's looking today. I do think that my hair looks nice and shiny and very soft. I don't know, honestly, how much of this is due to the flaxseed hair mask. I don't know if you have to like use it regularly to see results. I'm not sure. So if you have any experience with this, then do share your experience. My final opinions are that flaxseed gel I love, but using it as a hair mask, I don't think I'll be doing it again. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!